front of me is a CUBOT King Kong Mini 2, and today I'll show you how to boot the device into boot mode or bootloader. And to get started, you want to hold power key and from the boot options select power off. Okay, so once the device turns off, you want to hold power key and volume up at the same time. And this will boot us into the boot mode. So in here you will need to use only volume up to navigate, and you scroll through the three options, and those three options are recovery mode, fast boot mode, and normal boot, which takes us back to Android. And once you have selected the option that you want to accept, you press volume down. And because I want to leave this mode, I'm sticking with the last one, normal boot, which takes me back to Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.